So you saw me smack this one down last time and clean her up. Let's see how she's looking on the old measuring tool there. Alright, I know I'm the only one filming right now. So we got about 0.40 on there, about 0.40 or so. So I'm going to smack it down, no more, because it's supposed to be between 0.39 and 0.043, or 0.43, sorry. So about 40 will be just perfect for where we need to go. So you will, after doing that, take your trusty brake clean, gum cutter, whatever the hell you want, spray her off real good, and then take a little dab of dielectric grease, stick it on top. It always helps with the spark plug boots going in to do the same thing right about here. And make sure if you're replacing the crush washers that they go on completely. So with torque spec, everybody, torque spec, it has to be torqued to the proper. Snug it up, and then I'm not talking I'm talking You can feel when it snugs up, and you can feel as soon as it starts to break you, or start to break. So don't go and don't use an electric ratchet. Don't use an impact. Use a socket. Speaking of which, a great tool for socket use is a wobbly and a magnet. Especially on these Subaru motors, because even on an angle, they still don't want to come out. Look in there. How are we doing in there? Yep, there's a piston in there. So after we clean the hell out of our little plug here, like I said, dielectric grease on the tip. But before that, you got your little bristle brush. Take your bristle brush. Same thing, just clean the grease out. And you're going to want to let this dry out, especially if it's brake cleaner, card cleaner, before you stick her back in the car. Because, you know why? It's flammable as shit. You don't want to fire, you don't want to get fired. Wait a minute. So, scrub her out real good, make sure she's looking golden, which she is. Double check your gap after doing all that. Right there at about 0.40. And that, my friends, is how you become poor. No, I'm kidding. That's how you continue being poor and keep your car on the road. So, any more tips, tricks, they'll be coming. Just holler at me. But this is the second part of a two-part series. So, I'll leave the link for the other one, I guess, in the little thingy, or you can see this one next. But anyways, these valve covers are purple, dude. What the hell? Quality table here. Let's see if I can weasel everybody into saying subscribe at once. Let's see how it goes.